So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video we are going to see that how can you install Eclipse IDE for C and C++. You will be needing a compiler for that. Firstly, let's go in our browser and search for MinGW. Click on the first link from sourceforce.net. Download this. After this gets downloaded, just simply click on install. Just a second. So this is the installation window. Just click here and then keep it as default. This will start installing your MinGW. Let's wait for some seconds. So yeah, my download is done. Now let's click on continue and then select this one and right click. Just a second. Then this developer kit, mark for installation. Then this GCC and G++ compiler and then base. You need these you can say these versions or applications for your C or C++ installation. Then click here and apply changes. Click apply. This will take some seconds. So it is almost done. Let's wait for some more seconds. So yeah, it is done almost. Now what you have to do is just close this. Just a second. Okay, click on apply again. I think there was some installation error with this particular, you can say, particular thing. Now you can see this. All changes were applied successfully. Now you can close this dialog box. Okay, close. So, firstly, let's move in our browser. I will be using Chrome browser. And here we will search for Eclipse IDE. Now, just click on the first link from eclipseide.org. Then just click on this button. This will redirect you here. Now, I want Eclipse IDE for C and C++ developers. So I will just go in this Windows option and then x64 and x86. Now here you have to just click on download button. You can see that your Eclipse IDE has started downloading. So yeah guys, you can see that this is successfully downloaded. Now I will just click here and I want to just extract this. So I will just extract this in my D disk. Then just click on extract button. This will take up a few seconds. So yeah guys, you can see that this is my extracted folder which I have just got from that file which we have downloaded. So now what we have to do is we can just launch this, that is the Eclipse application. Just double tap on this and now we can minimize our file manager and browser also. So yeah, now you can just simply click on launch. But before that, you have to select the working directory initially. I will just set the directory as the installation directory. That is D1. Let me create a new folder here. Eclipse programs. Then just select this folder and now we can launch our directory. Launch our Eclipse in that directory. So yeah, this will be the first window that you will see. We will just keep Eclipse IDE being scanned by Microsoft Defender and then proceed. Now, what you have to do is you have to create a new project. So I will be going with the classic C project. Yeah, classic C project. Then next project name will be demo project. And here we will select for this one and MinGW GCC. These two. And then click on next. Author, just keep it default. Okay. Then select on finish button. So yeah, this will be the basic template which will be provided to you by this Eclipse IDE. So we can just check this by running this particular project. So we have to just save this firstly, click on save and then just click on project button initially and then you have to click on build all. So yeah, build is done. Now we can just run this. We will be going with the local C++ application. So here you can see that this is the output which we will be expecting from our C program. So that's it for today's video guys. Now let's see you next time.